Hi, right now we're going to walk through a couple things for class. We're going to do a couple of our early parts. We're going to do an inventor for you. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about extrusions. Now extrusions are parts. We're going to start with just some basic parts. So I've gone to my desktop here and I've just opened a standard part. Now, as I go up here, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my start menu and I'm going to pick a plane to draw on. Today, all I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a 1" by 1" cube. So 1" 1" 1". So I'm just going to click on right here. I start one corner on my origin, I just drag it up. Now, I'm pushing my mouse wheel down and dragging to pan. So I'm just going to drop this in. I don't care what size it is right now because I'm going to put a dimension on it following this. So just get my dimension tool, put a dimension out here, tell it exactly 1" and exactly 1". There's my square. Now, I finished the sketch and I want to extrude it. I just simply close the sketch, go to extrude, tell it to be 1" cube. Boom, there, done. Now if I want to fit on my screen, I hit the zoom all. That's all it takes to do an extrusion. Now let me redo that one more time. I'm going to go back in here to my home and I'm going to do another part. Same process, just a different shape. So I'm just going to click on a plane. I'm going to pan down so I know what I've got to work with. And I'm going to draw a line that goes from right here out this way and then back up here somewhere and then back down here to where I started my origin. Okay, so there I've got it. Now I'm going to put some dimensions on it to control it. Well, I'm just going to make this exactly 1" by 1" right triangle. Okay, now when I finish the sketch, the next thing I need to do, just zoom all, I'm going to tell it to extrude it. It's the only shape there, it's the only thing it can find, so I just made a 1" by 1" right triangle prism. Now, that's all it takes. If I want to zoom out and show it all on my screen, I can. So, one more time, we're going to make a cylinder this time, same process. Part, start a sketch, pick a plane. Now, cylinders, I put the center of all circles, if it's my base drawing, on my origin. So I'm going to make this 1" in diameter. So it's 1" in diameter, finish the sketch, extrude, it's going to be 1" long at default set. I can change it any way I want, I can type it in, I can drag it, whatever. Hit the OK. There it is. I've made a 1" by 1" cylinder. Okay, 1" diameter, 1" long. Now if I go back down here to my parts list, okay, I've got part 12 right there is my prism, part 11 is my cube, part 13 is my cylinder. Now I've made some other parts down here that I'll be using for some of our class discussions. I've just basically made up some I've seen in the past or variations of them, stuff I've seen in old textbooks and I've drawn in school. So we're going to be drawing this stuff and making orthographic views from the isometrics of it, but we'll probably also be modeling some of them just like this. So they're relatively straightforward and easy. So hey, watch this a couple of times. Make sure you do it because we're going to make these in class. Thanks. Bye.